Hello everyone, today I share with you how I made the best sontum Thai papaya green salad. And I have secret ingredients and I review at the end of the video. Please come to the kitchen with me and show you how. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. So the ingredients is very simple. Half of a green papaya, 2 Roman tomatoes, some green beans, 1 cucumber, some cilantro, 1 lime, 1 big red chili, 6 garlic cloves, 2 buckeye chilies. So the green beans, sometimes they have fiber at both sides. So I trim and remove, then wash. And I will chop them about like 1 inch long. At the end, they will need to be pounded in the mortar and pestle. So you will see. Just like that is we done with green beans. So the same thing with cucumber and tomatoes, wash. And for the green papaya, this is a little bit to me, so I take only half of it. And I peel and wash. And I will get the bowl of ice cold water ready, standby. I'm removing the seeds inside, and I just need to chop in half like this because I will use the mandolin to julienne. You can see this is a manual mandolin and very effective. You can see it's easy to shred. Just like that, and you're done. It's half of the green papaya and you a little bit more, like so. So I soak in ice water. I have a honey container that we empty. Now I use this to store water and put in the freezer and get the ice. For the cucumber, I just need to get the skin because that part is firm and crunchy more than the inside. So for the tomato, I just cut in half and then quarter. Remember, all those ingredients will be pound. That is the technique. I use the juice of 1 lime, but if you want a little sour, more sour, you can use 2 lime. You can taste it when you get there. For the big chili, this is not spicy chili. I use this to have the color pops. Imagine a little white green papaya with the red of chili with pops and the dark green of cucumber. it will look very nice. See, I shred julienne the chili. Now we are ready for making. Oh, before that, you need to remove and peel the skin of garlic. I have 6 garlic cloves here. And I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar will help to break down the garlic. And I added the 2 chili. It depends on your level of spiciness. You can add more chili or less. My level is 2 bird-eye chili. They're very spicy, but that's my level. People can eat ghost pepper also spicy. I'm not that high. So I drop in the green beans. In traditional sontum, they will use string beans, the longer beans, but I don't have them, so I use green bean, and they are the same. You don't notice anything different. You know that when the Thai people, they professional, when they do sontum, they have a big mortar. I don't have that big one, so I use a small mortar, and when I pound some, I remove to the, you see my blue ball right there. And now I add my spices, fish sauce, shrimp sauce, and chili sauce. In our country, when they make sontum, they will add a fermented crab. But I don't have, so shrimp sauce will do. Now I added the green papaya. You see, you dump the technique here that you pound, but you don't pound to that. Gently pound, so that your ingredients mingle and absorb the liquid from the sauce. You can see after you soak the green papaya in ice water, they will get crunchy. And that's what you want. For the cucumber, I shred like this, so that the same thing, it adds crunch and color to the salad. You can use the mandolin, but it is a small job, so I use the peeler. And that's it. You just mix all together, and as a matter of fact, they're done. But because it's my recipe, I add toasted peanut. Yeah, the original recipe has toasted peanut as well. And now with the cilantro on top, I left some for garnish, and it's done. Now I add to my we blended, huh? Okay. You see, so exciting. And we get into my secret ingredients now. That is the crispy bacon bits. You see, you will surprise and you like it because the bacon bits is so crunchy and add flavor to the salad. And I have fried shrimp chips I just made earlier, and it's what a treat. You just eat the salad, scoop some the salad, put on top of the chips and devour. Well, we deserve a good food. So give it a try and tell me what you think. You are invited to taste with me, and this is another version. I put shrimp together, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.